Hello everyone! Loop break is one of the most common fault messages in the addressable file systems, and in this video we are going to show you the easiest way to find the reason for it. There are several different reasons for this fault message. The first step that we recommend is to check the loop card for failure. In order to do that, disconnect the loop cables from the loop card and replace them with bridge wires. In that way, we are testing if the reason for the break is not caused by a loop expander malfunction. If the loop card is in order, the loop break message will disappear. If the loop expander is in order, we should now proceed searching for the break somewhere on the loop. We can do that by connecting only one end of the loop wires to the loop card and leave the other one free. The next step is to go to the list with all loop devices on the panel screen. We have to scroll the list of devices until we find a device with a fault status. The loop break is after the last device with status normal and the first with status fault. There might be another loop break. In order to find it, revise your connections and use the same above mentioned approach. The most common mistake made on installations is wrong connection of the detector base by using remote indicator terminal for one of the positive wires instead of the dedicated terminals for them.